Yan, may libreng pang hot pot. Yan, libre yan. Kasama yan sa pagbili niyan. Nakapag emergency akong bumili nito kasi hindi nga siya nag-work. So, ito yung hindi nag-work. I don't know why. This one, plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now, if you want to go down, adjust. So, para hindi masunog ang maluto. So, pupunta ka sa say 5, 4, 3, 2, tas 1. Tas, ito pa rin off. Ang nangyayari, on namin siya, direkta na sa, nag-3 na siya agad. Tas, pag pindot mo, ulit nag-4, nag-5. Tas, ang ginawa ko, number dito, nag-positive ako, number 3 dito, positive. Tapos, ibaba ko siya dito sa 2 or 1. Hindi siya bababa. So, yung ginawa namin, from here, diretso kami dito. Kaya dumaan kami dito, hindi man magana. So, dito kami. Enough namin. Sabay, bunot ang saksakan. Tapos, nalaglag pa niya 2 beses. Ayan, nabasag tuloy. Anyway, papaayos naman siya. Para may reserva. Maganda kasi ito kasi malaki. Ito, okay lang din itong isa. Okay naman din. I don't have any problem with this. But, I don't know why, what happened. That's the new one. The induction stove. I don't want him to suffer hungriness. So I bought him this one. I won't say it's cheap, but still affordable. O diba? For him. So I'm supposed to take some video, unbox it, but he was so hungry earlier. So this is it. So this is the new one, the new induction. So this is it. So he was happy. Now he's lying in bed resting because he's full now. He's so hungry. He just don't tell me. So it's a very messy now because I didn't bother to check here. So anyway, it's alright. Very messy. It's still alright. Yun ang kaibahan. Pareho naman silang maganda. Malaki, maliit. Basta gumana lang. Kaya problema, hindi nagana. Oh, I will miss you. I will miss you. I will miss you. I will miss you. Welcome. Wala lang masabi, wala lang mapakita, no? So, thank you. Thank you lang.